Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the game of Kahoot. Please ignore the music in the background, but it really just won't stop. So on the left side of the screen, you're going to see the Kahoot game from the teacher perspective. And on the right side of the screen, you're going to see it from the student perspective. My name is Kai, down here in the corner, and that will be the pretend student playing on the right side. So here we're going to get started. Which part of the cow gives us the materials used to create lipstick? So now this quick little video is going to play, and it's just an example of lipstick. And as we get started, I hit the answer, which I think is fat. So I click it, and I'm correct. And now we move on to the next question. Now here is the leaderboard on the right side, which shows me that I am in first place at 708 points. And on the left side, it shows what questions we got correct. Now we're moving on to the next question, which is name a product we get from cattle. So as the time goes down, this one is only at 10 seconds, and I'm going to hit tires. Still in first place, 1 for 1. And we continue on and do this throughout the rest of the game. There are 3 more questions, so we're going to finish playing the game out. This is the one picture that I have in the entire slide. So we already had one video earlier, and then here is our picture to complete. Still in first place. Second to last question. And now finally, the last question of the day, which is a no points available question. Just because the questions are so similar. The correct answer is tallow, but I thought I'd be funny and put similar sounding words for the other 3 options. And that's it. So now the game is over, and you can see on the left side at the students, or the left side on the teacher side, there would give you a scoreboard of all the different students who played, and then on the right side as the student, you see what place you were and how many questions you got correct. And that's all we have today. Thank you.